Good morning, class 6th. Today we are going to start our IT subject. You have the first chapter on computer fundamentals. In this chapter, we are going to learn IPO cycle inside the computer, means inside CPU, role of memory in the working of a computer, classification of computers. So first, you know what is a computer. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device. Why it is electronic device? Because it works on electricity. And computer works on two things. One is input device and second is output device. How computers input device means what? Input, the name only have the meaning. Input, sending data inside, putting data inside. That's why that's called the input device. How we are sending data inside? We are going to in CPU? No. We are taking the help of input devices. What are the input devices are there? The microphone. Microphone for recording sound. We are recording our sound and sending it to CPU. Keyboard, we are typing the data and sending to CPU. Mouse, we are clicking data and giving the instruction to CPU. Scanner, we are scanning the hard copy, any images or any data and sending inside in CPU. The mic, we are giving the input voice and the voice will go out loudly. That is also input device. Joystick, we are playing the games and giving the input. How? Using joystick. So these all are input devices. Using these devices only we are giving the input to computer. We are sending the data inside. We are putting data in. That's why that's called the input devices. Okay, clear? Now next, output devices. The name only have the meaning. Output, computer is putting data outside. That's why it's called a what? Output device. How data is putting outside? Using output devices. What are the output devices are here? Printer. Whatever data we have typed, we have sent, after processing, how we will get the through printer, the hard copy we get. Monitor, to display the information, means the however the result is there, how result will display? Through monitor. Speaker, whatever the audio sound, how will come out? Through speaker. Plotter is the same like a printer only, but using plotter we can print the big banners. Okay, after that projector. Okay, have you seen projector? In our school nursery hall have a projector. We are using projector. This is also work like a monitor. Okay, so using these all output device, what they do? The output device send the data outside. That's why that's called the output device. The next is IPO cycle. What is IPO cycle? I means input, P means process and O means output. The question is here, how a computer functions using IPO cycle. How computer is going to function using IPO cycle? First, we all are user. Why we all are user? Because we using the computers. That's why we all are user. What we do? Users send the data to computer. How? Using input devices. Where users are going to send data? To CPU. Okay, see in the diagram. Users are sending the data using the input devices to CPU. CPU work. Okay, what do the CPU process on that data. Okay, and sometimes CPU storage the data. After that send the output to again user. After that, send the output again to user using the output devices. Okay. Example, suppose I want the calculation 5 plus 2. So using keyboard I am going to send that calculation 5 plus 2 to CPU. CPU, what they do? CPU calculate the data and give the output 7 on monitor, otherwise through printer. So this is the work of computer. First take the input from user, again send to the CPU, and CPU will storage the data and process on that data. Again the output, the result will send to user. This is the work of computer, and this work process, this is a cycle of working process, and this called IPO cycle. Clear? See here, the pictures are used. IPO cycle, input, process, output. See, input devices, keyboard, mouse, camera, mic. Okay, and CPU. Inside CPU, see what are the parts are there? ALU, CU, okay, registers, memory. Okay, the process will going on in input data. After that, the output will get us through how? Monitor, speakers, printer, projectors. Okay, so today we next concept we are going to see inside the computer, CPU. Are you think what is inside in CPU? No. Inside CPU, see in this picture, this is a CPU. Okay, the central processing unit. What is the CPU? CPU means central processing unit. What is the work of CPU? The work of CPU is whatever data coming inside the processing, whatever user, whatever data will send, okay, as a input. So what they do, CPU, they process on that data and again send to user, return after the processing. That's called the output. Okay, so CPU is a central processing unit, that also called a processor. Okay, this is process, that work is processing, that's why that's called a processor. Is located inside the computer, case on motherboard. Is inserted, processor inserted on motherboard. Okay, it is sometimes called a brain of computer. The CPU also called a brain of computer. Why it is brain of computer? Because it works like a human brain. Okay, that's why CPU called a brain of computer, and its job is to carry out commands. Okay, whatever input will come from user, that carry out is a work of CPU. The CPU is usually a 2 inches ceramic square with a silicon chips located inside. See here given in diagram. Okay, so clear what is CPU? So we are going to see what inside the CPU. Inside the CPU, motherboard is there, sound card, motherboard, the computer is going to listen, everything is motherboard. Okay, the computer who will control? The computer controls only the motherboard. Sound card is for sound effects, we are using sound card. Hard disk for storing data. RAM is a random access memory, is a temporary memory, and ROM is a read only memory, is a permanent memory. We are going to see detail about this all. After that, the CPU has two main components. One is a arithmetic and logic unit, and second is a control unit. So we are going to see about arithmetic logic unit. It's also called a ALU. Okay, A means arithmetic, L means logic, and U means unit. What is the work of ALU? It's responsible for types of calculations and operation. Whatever input comes from calculation, the plus, addition, subtraction, division, whatever work comes from user, who will do that work? ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Where, which department the work will go? ALU department. As its name indicates, it performs arithmetic operations such as a plus, minus, into, and division, and logical operations such as a plus, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, is not equal to, like that. All operation who is going to handle? The arithmetic logic unit. In computer there are all some works divided in particular parts. Okay, arithmetic logic unit, your work is doing the addition. Control unit, you control everything, all are doing work good or not. Okay, so here what is the works are divided to each parts in computer. CPU, your work is process on data. Input devices, your work is take the input. Output devices, your work is take the send the output. So like the arithmetic logic unit work is do the whatever calculation part come from user, that calculation part going to who? The arithmetic logic unit. Which calculation part? Plus, minus, into, and slash. And logical operators also have the handling who? The arithmetic logic unit only. Is less than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than, everything. And next is control unit. CU. C means control, U means unit. It is responsible for controlling and guiding instruction. What is his work? Their interpretation and execution. The control unit guiding the all. The all are doing the work good. Keyboard is typing the data. Printer is sending the data. Okay, is printing work is going on? No? Monitor displaying work is going on? Yes. The control unit, arithmetic logic unit, is doing the all arithmetic operations now. So what the control unit work? It is responsible for controlling and guiding instruction. His work is control the instruction and guide. Wherever the need is there, guide there. That is the work of control unit. The control unit gets instruction from the memory and executes this instruction. From who control unit is getting the instruction? From memory. Okay, after the execution of an instruction is completed, the control unit sends signal to the memory to send the next instruction. Okay, then one instruction completed, the next instruction the control unit going to call. It also controls the flow of data from input device to memory and again from memory to output device. Okay, so control unit, what they do, whatever the process IPO cycle is going on, no, input, process, output, that work the control unit is going to control. The controlling work is what they do. Very shortly, the control unit controls the all work of computer. Okay, students, today's class homework for you: draw the IPO cycle with input and output devices. Okay, and the second one is draw diagram inside CPU and make a list of input and output devices. Okay, thank you.